Hello awesome people, I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to photograph clothes at home. Now there are a few things that you should remember, right? If you are just starting out as a clothing manager, or if you're just starting your clothing brand, I know how important it is to shoot or click pictures of your dresses, because you must be thinking how to do it, how to click great pictures for your store so that you can get your customers buying them. Well, there are a few things that you should remember. I have my notes down here. So first is preparing your garments. Make sure you steam it or iron it, and also remove all the wrinkles that it might have, and also remove the lint if it is available. So this is really important because you want your clothes or your garments to be their best possible state, because you don't want your dress to be fully wrinkled with some lint on it and stuff like that, and also inspect for any flaws that your dress might have. Maybe a button is missing, or maybe the logo is a bit tilted or stuff like that. You get the point. Make sure your dress or your garments that you are about to take pictures of are in pristine and best quality possible. Next is choose your display. Maybe you want to take the photo of your dress maybe laid flat on a table or on the floor. Maybe you want it to be on a hanger, just like the image that you are looking at in the screen, or maybe with a wooden mannequin or a real model. Now you must be thinking, and also it is true, hiring a professional model for your dress and stuff, it is really expensive and also time consuming. But don't worry, we at Wearview, we have thought about this situation, has bought some great features which I will show you within just few minutes, that will just change your the way how you just take a look at modeling and stuff like that with the help of AI. I'll just show you that in just a matter of a minute. The third thing that I want you guys to do is also dial in your lighting. Make sure you take the photos of your dresses in good lighting situation, good lighting condition. Make sure you have some good maybe lights. They are expensive. If they are expensive for you, if those prices are too high for you, then your best friend is natural light. Make sure you go near to a window or a door. Make sure your curtains are white. Place your clothes on the floor or maybe on the table, and then click good pictures, and that's your best way of getting the best lighting situation or condition. But remember guys, when you're taking pictures in natural light, don't have any artificial lights like bulbs and stuff like that, or overhead lights turned on, because it messes with the way that it looks. But the fourth and important thing that I want to show, or that I want to tell you, the harsh truth, is you need a model photos, photos of models wearing your dress, because that's how your customers are going to finalize to get the dress or not. Because trust me guys, if you have thousands of images of your dress just laid flat on the table, or maybe on the hanger, or all the creative ways that you want to click pictures of, it is really important, having a model wearing your dresses. It's really important, and that's where Wearview is comes into the picture. We at Wearview, we work really hard to bring you all these features that you're going to take a look at right now, and I'll teach you how you can create images like this one that you're looking at on the screen within a few clicks. So first, what I want you guys to do is go to wearview.co and then create or log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one using Google. It takes less than 10 seconds. Once you do that, click on the Try It Now button. Next, you will have to choose what you want to do. If you want, you can also, we have AI Ghost Mannequin feature, where you will upload your images of your garment, and then with the help of AI, we will convert it into Ghost Mannequin images that you can use on your store. Along with that, you can also create consistent models, post control of the model that you'll be creating, AI try-on studio, AI product to model, AI fashion video as well. We were talking about just photos. You can create videos of your clothing, models and stuff like that as well, which we will be creating more videos about. But for now, let's go to AI product to model, and we'll select the products that we want to save. that we want to sell. If you want to see what works, click on here and it will show you all the items that are supported by a Wearview. It is supported by dresses, t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, and skirts. What works are these things. You go ahead and read them out, but make sure all the images are really simple to understand, easy to understand. Don't make it really messy like the ones that you're looking at. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and select the clothes that you want your model to wear. For this video, what I'll do here, I'll choose a which dress should I choose? I'll choose this is a very interesting part, that choosing your dress. I'll choose this t-shirt. It looks really nice. Along with that, I will choose this blue jeans, and I have a white sneakers that I really like, so I'll just choose it. Click on open, and so I've chosen a shirt, a pant, which is a blue jeans, which is really nice, and also a white shoe. Once we're done with that, we'll click on the next button. Now it's the time to select our models. If you have a model in your mind, or if you have a model on your computer, click on choose file and go ahead and choose the model that you want. But if you don't have a model, which is totally natural, click on the my models section and go to model library. Here we have a collection of various women as well as men models that are really good looking. So if you want, you can go ahead and choose them. But by any chance, if you want to create your very own model, you can do that too by clicking on create a model button. Go ahead and prompt it a few things, and you can definitely go ahead and create your very own model. I have made videos about creating AI models in my past, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And if you really like the way I create these videos, go ahead and like this video. For this video, I'm really sorry for the distraction. Let me minimize or silent my phone so that it won't ting all the time. So what I'll do, I'll just choose my model here. Let me go to men, and let me choose Kai. He is a really attractive guy. So I have chosen Kai, and we'll click on the next button. Now, if you want, you can also describe your model setting. It's an optional one. If you want help, you can go to prompt tips and then copy a prompt if you want and go ahead and paste it over here. You can get the idea and then change, as we are using a male model. So you can just go ahead and remove it. Maybe a 24-year-old model with straight brown hair, standing, maybe straight can be removed or stuff like that. So your creativity is the limit here, but as it is optional, we can just skip it. Next, choose the quality of the image that you want. For the best and optimal quality, I would suggest you to go for 4K because if you're really serious about your clothing store, 4K is your best friend because it will give you the best quality and your buyers will appreciate it, and also you will get more sales. Trust me on that. But 2K works great as well. But if you're thinking of using HD, that means you're not serious about your business. Next is the number of images that you want to create. For this video, I will choose 3 images. You can also choose up to 4, but it depends on you. You can choose 1, 2, 3, but for this video, I'll choose 3. And for aspect ratio, I'll choose 9:16 because I want it to be vertical. If you want it to be, square, then 1:1. If you want it to be horizontal, then 16:9. You can also go ahead and choose 3:4, which is the default one. But for this video, I'll choose 9:16. And finally, click on the generate button. Now, this takes around maybe 30 to 40 seconds, depending on the number of items that you have chosen. It says it will take around 2.5 minutes, but it's just saying so that you won't get disappointed. If you expect disappointment, then you won't be disappointed. So what I'll do, I'll resume the video once the generation is completed, which is after maybe around 10 or 20 seconds. All right, guys, so exactly after 10 to 13 or 10 to 15 seconds, we have our images right here with Kai. He looks really nice. Most of the images are same, but the only difference is the chain in his chest. It is in the middle one, it is open, and the third one, it is closed, and the first one is closed as well. So if you want, you can also flip this image horizontally if you want, but right now I really love it. If you're not happy with something, maybe the background is not clear or the chain is glitching out or something like that, because it's AI and AI can make mistakes, what you can do is go to the refine button, and here you can just type in what or describe what you want to change. For example, make the background warmer, maybe sharpen fabric texture, enhance color, remove background distraction, whatever the things that you want to change, you can do that with just a few clicks and also with just a few prompts. And if you are really happy with the image, you can go ahead and download, which I will do, and I will update all these images onto my store as well, because these images are really nice. And by any chance, if you want to use these images to change pose and stuff like that, you can do that in Wearview as well, which I have explained previously, but I will be making more videos so that you will know how good and how accurate Wearview is to create all these kind of great looking AI models for your dress or for your business. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Now, if you want, you can also share it from here as well. And by any chance you are not happy with the result, which is very unlikely to happen because I have been using it for so long, we have developed it for so long. But by any chance, if you are not happy, click on the try again button and it will just generate you great images again. Well, that's pretty much it. This is here Victor from Wearview, and in this way, this is how you click great images for your for your clothing store and business. Doesn't matter, guys, just take clean picture, just a simple image of a simple photo of your dress, and then upload to Wearview and just take a look at the example, take a look at the result. This is created by an AI. If you go ahead and hire this professional model, it will be time consuming as well as it is expensive, because look at the lighting in his face. It is professional. And you just did it with just few clicks. Well, that's what we have bought in Wearview. If there are some more features that you want to request, if you have some feature requests, then please let us know in the comment box down below. Well, that's pretty much it. I will stop yapping. This is your Victor from Wearview, and I'll see you in the next video.